This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, June 12th, 2014. Now our first look at the Zero Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough moving through the middle part of the country. That's bringing a cold front through the state during the morning hours. There could be an isolated shower or storm along it, but don't expect to get a whole lot of rain with it, and some places may not even get any rain out of it at all. Most of the precipitation looks to miss the state entirely, down up to our north and well to our south. Sunshine will be back in the afternoon, highs mainly in the upper 60s to middle 70s. Friday, sunshine around, mainly in the 70s for highs, with plenty of sunshine around as high pressure will be directly overhead. After a cool morning, Friday morning could see lows in the upper 40s. Then Saturday, unfortunately, as the weekend starts, here comes the next storm system. Most of the day will be mainly partly to mostly sunny, with highs in the upper 70s through the 80s, with late in the day showers and storms in our western counties moving through Saturday night into Sunday. The first part of Sunday could see some showers and thunderstorms in the eastern half of the state, maybe some slight partial clearing in the west. Highs mainly in the 80s, could see some 70s depending on the amount of clouds we get around. Monday will be fairly quiet as the front will be just to our south. Readings, though, will not cool off a whole lot. Highs still in the 80s, lower to middle 80s at that. Then that front begins to lift back northward Monday night into Tuesday. You can see we could see some scattered showers and storms around. This will be mainly a Monday night into Tuesday morning event, maybe some isolated showers Tuesday afternoon. And then we could see this repeat again Tuesday night into Wednesday. During the day Wednesday, we could see some partial sunshine around. Highs both Tuesday and Wednesday look to be in the 80s, lower to middle 80s. And then the system finally begins to move off away here on Thursday. You can see that next Thursday the trough will be to the east of the state, the trough axis, over Michigan. Northwesterly flow will keep the temperatures cool as we could drop back into the upper 70s, maybe middle to upper 70s to low 80s for highs. Precipitation will be across the east, the south, and the GFS is showing its typical fake, possibly fake, tropical system in the Gulf and Yucatan Peninsula. It's been there for weeks. Going into the extended period, June the 23rd, pretty much a zonal flow at this point. This is after a ridge kind of pops up in the plains and then flattens back out again. And with that, you can see that puts us in an area where we could see progressive storm systems moving through with showers and thunderstorms with each and more or less every maybe 2 or 3 days if this is right. And that zonal pattern even continues at the end of the forecast on June the 27th. Pretty much a zonal flow. Seasonal temperatures in the lower 80s, humidity seasonally humid and with dew points likely in the lower 60s, so it's not going to be overly muggy. It doesn't look like it's going to be overly hot, but this is in the extended period, so this could be totally different by tomorrow. Thinking of the satellite image from last evening, however, we had a complex of showers and thunderstorms across Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma. You can see the little curly Q over northwestern Minnesota. That's the front that's coming through this morning, and that'll be bringing us maybe a shower or storm. It's bringing a lot of storms here from last night on the Watch Warning map. Severe thunderstorm watch in Oklahoma and Kansas, a few warnings down there. Red flag warnings across a good deal of Nevada, and a few issues across the east, maybe some flash flooding. And you can see that with the QPF chart. This is precipitation through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts around here could exceed 2 inches, but this would be in very isolated fashion, and we could see mainly about 1 inch or so in most areas.